Hi, my beautiful, wonderful students. How are you today? I hope you're doing well and ready for your math lesson. Remember, we've been subtracting, so we're going to continue learning how to subtract. And today's lesson, boys and girls, is 12.3. So please go ahead and get that paper out and a sharpened pencil and get ready to subtract. Before we do that, I am going to skip count today by fives with you. So if you're ready, we can clap as we count by fives. All right, are you ready? Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. You did it. Good job. You could also play yesterday's video because we skip counted by twos, right? And then by fives today, and tomorrow we'll skip count by tens, and then we'll go ahead and count by ones again the next day. All right? I hope you're having a fabulous morning, and I'm so excited to teach you today this paper. It's a really cute one, so I hope you like it. Let me go ahead and share the screen with you, and I'll give you a couple of examples before we do the paper. Okay, here we go. All right, so this is the paper, and it's about families at the beach, right? And I hope one day we get to go to the beach soon, right? All righty. So, boys and girls, before we do this paper, I'm going to go ahead and draw a couple of examples on the side. So we're going to start off with some triangles. I'm going to draw 6 triangles. 6 triangles. How many did I draw? 6. So I'm going to write a number 6 right here because that's how many triangles I started off with. And then, boys and girls, I'm going to show you this new symbol. And I know I think I already showed you, but let me go ahead and review this. So this is a symbol of the minus. Remember, I showed you that it's kind of like, let's see here. If you take away, see, that's a plus, right? This is a plus symbol. If you take away this one that goes this way, right? Vertically, you are left with a horizontal little dash, and that little dash is a minus sign. So I'm putting the minus sign there. Remember, we started off with 6 triangles, right? And there it is right here. I'm going to minus, I'll minus 2. So let's go ahead and get back to the red. I'm going to minus 2. And then I'm going to put my answer here. How many are left over when I take away 2? 1, 2. How many are left? How many are left, boys and girls? Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I started with 6. I took away 2. So I have 4 left. You see that? Okay, let's try another one. I am going to draw some circles. Let's draw some circles here. I'll just draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. So I'm going to start with this many, right? 4. So I'm writing 4 at the beginning of the sentence, the math sentence, right? The number sentence is. And 4 and then minus, right? You're taking away, let's see, I'm going to take away 1. So we have 4, right? 4 of them. I'm going to minus, take away, right? 1. So that means I'm going to put an X over one of them. And how many are left? 3. You see that? There are 3 that are not X'd off. So I'm going to write the 3 on the right side of the equal sign. You got it? All right. So I hope you like those examples and that it's going to help you when we do our paper. So we are here at the top of the paper. Oh, this beautiful family enjoying the summer day, and they have built a sandcastle. Isn't that awesome, boys and girls? So this little story is about this family, like I said, that went to the beach, and guess what? They had some sand buckets, right? So let me go ahead and read you a little story. The little girl is Mia. Mia picks up 3 buckets from the beach, okay? And she gives 2 to her mother. How many buckets are left? How many does she still have? Well, let's look. Well, we're going to have to draw. Are you ready to draw? Don't worry. I'm not a good drawer, but you are. And if you feel frustrated, please don't. Just try and draw your best, and that's it. Okay, so we're going to draw how many? She had 3. So Mia had 3. I underlined this number here because that is how many buckets you have to draw. So let's go ahead and draw it like this. You could just draw them like this and then a handle. That's 1, 2 buckets, 3 buckets. You can draw better buckets than I can. However, I'm just going to make it like this. So those of you that are a little bit frustrated drawing, it's easier for you, okay? So you can go back and put details on it later, color them. But right now, we'll just draw it like this, all right? So you have 3. And look what this word says right here. It says, take away. That means you have to X out. How many? Let's see. 2, right? So 3 is what you started off with. You drew the 3 buckets. Take away 2. So let's put an X over 2 of them because she gave 2. She shared 2. It says that she gives 2 to her mother. So she gave 2 of them to her mom. And how many is after you X out 2? How many is left? So is, remember the word is means the same as equals, right? So how many are left? 1, you're right. So we're going to put a 1 right there, okay? 3, you had 3 buckets. Mia had 3 buckets and she gave 2 away. So you're taking away 2 and 1 is left over. You got it? Okay, very good. That was nice of Mia. Now let's look at number 2. There is a number sentence there on the bottom, right? With words, a word sentence with numbers. So let's see. What number are they talking about first? A 4. See that? A 4. A 4. So what is going on here? Let me read you the story. So it says, Ning and Vivian see 4 birds flying over the water. 2 birds land, right? How many more birds are still in the sky? Well, let's see. Let's draw the birds. We'll draw the birds. Here we go. Easy like this, okay? Don't make it harder for yourself. Now, remember how many birds? They saw 4. 1, just like that. 2, 3, 4. There are 4 birds they saw in the sky. 2 birds landed, right? So you're going to take away. See this word here? Take away. That is means you're going to minus it. You're going to X out. How many? 2. So 4 take away 2 is, remember, is how many are left? Well, let's see. There are 4 birds. They take away 2. Remember, 2 landed. So let's put an X on them. Here we go. 1, 2 birds take away, right? So how many are left in the sky flying, boys and girls? 2. 1, 2. So the answer is 2. Let's read the number sentence again. Read it with me. 4 take away 2 is 2, right? Very good. I hope you understand that so far. It's fun to draw. Okay, so now let's flippity floppity, and we will go ahead and look at the back of our paper. Let's see what we have here. Another beautiful family, and they are just walking on the beach. And let's take a look at what the story says. It says, Jeremiah and his family find 2 seashells on the beach. They share one of them with a friend. How many seashells do Jeremiah and his family have left? So let's look and see. We have to draw two, two seashells. So we'll draw two seashells right over here. Here's a seashell, right? And here's a seashell. Just two. You could draw better than I can. So now let's go ahead and continue what the sentence says. Two seashells take away one seashell is how many are left? So take away one of the seashells. Remember, they shared one. They found two. They shared one. So how many does the family have left? One. Tall man. Got it? Easy peasy, right? You're taking away. When you see the words take away, that means you're minusing. Remember the symbol that is a dash is a minus. And is means equals, right? Now let's go to the next one, the last one, number 2. Oh, look at that beach ball. Those are so fun. So let's go ahead and listen to the story, and then we'll take away what it says to do. Okay, here we go. Olivia sees Olivia. Oh, that little girl is the same name of our Olivias, right? She has the same name of our Olivias in class. How funny. So this little girl, Olivia, sees 5 beach balls sitting on the beach. A wave washes 3 of the beach balls. How many beach balls are there left? Well, let's see. How many beach balls does she see? 5. So let's draw the beach balls. You can color them later. The color of Olivia's beach balls if you want. But right now, we'll just draw circles. 1 beach ball, 2 beach balls, 3 beach balls, 4, and 5. There are the beach balls. Now, here it is, right? 5, and then take away. Remember, take away. How many? Take away 3 because the wave came and washed them away. So we're crossing off 3. 1, 2, 3. Does it matter what 3 you're crossing off? No, it doesn't matter what 3 you're crossing off, as long as you're following the directions to what they're asking you to minus, okay? So how many of the balls are left? 2, right? And you put the 2 right here. So then the sentence would say 5 take away 2 equals 5 take away 3 equals 2, all right? We had 5 take away 3 equals 2. You got it? All right. I hope you followed along. I'm sure you did. And I'm sure you had a great time drawing your pictures. You can go back, like I said, and just draw them in, like color them in or whatever you want to add to it. So I hope you're having a great day so far, and I will see you in phonics, and I miss you, and we'll talk soon again. All right, bye, and have a great day. Bye.